Hi, my name's Scott. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing the bedside crib. We're going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so you're going to turn it upside down where the kind of like the T is facing the ground. And that's actually going to be right side up from how it comes. And then for the legs, you're going to stick the legs in. You're going to want to hear a snap. If the legs don't go in right, so let's pull one out. Chances are, if the leg doesn't go in right, you have it opposite. So as you can see, the little pin right there, that would be wrong. So if it doesn't go in, then it means it's for the other side. For example, the pin is always going to be facing this side where it's going to be able to snap in place. So have it upside down like this, where you can see it like this. This piece that has this little guy is going to go in like this, straight across. Of course, go until it snaps in place. Again, the manual is going to tell you guys how to do all this stuff, so it's really easy. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the easiest to assemble, 10 being the hardest, I would say it's probably about a 3, 3.5. So it's pretty easy to set up and install. Obviously, if you want to do the changing setup, you can do that. You can look on the manual, but the whole thing is easy to set up. And you can adjust the height as well by grabbing right on here. You can put your foot here and you can lift up and you can adjust the height. So we're going to set it for height number 6. There's 5, there's 6. So if you want to just make sure it snaps in place, give some pressure so you know it doesn't go down. And it's very simple, easy to do, my friends. Very, very simple. So no matter what size your bed is, how high it is, it's got you covered. Remember, there's a tab on the memory foam, so you might want to remove that.